Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add NFC card to your Apple Wallet. First of all, you need to open the App Store and go to the search. Here in the search, you need to write NFC and click on search button. Then you need to scroll down and you need to install this app which is called NFC Tools. Let's click Get. And then you need to open it and you need to click Read right here. And you need to scan your NFC card. So you need to approach your NFC card. Once the card has been approached, then it should be automatically detected and you will see right here. I don't have the card at the moment, so I will click cancel. And once you will do it, then you need to close this app and you need to go to your Apple Wallet. And in the top right, you need to click the plus icon. And if you successfully read the NFC card, you will see NFC as an option right here. So that's how you can add NFC card to your Apple Wallet. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.